We're back with another Power Wheels video for you guys. If you didn't catch the previous one, we installed a Milwaukee M18 drill battery in Logan's Mustang, and since then it has been a popular request to try out a car battery. So that's what we're gonna do in this video, but first we're gonna go buy two more that we found on Facebook Market, and then we need to go grab some extra wheels for Logan's Mustangs because he keeps burning those things out. They don't last very long. We're buying two vehicles today. Wait till you guys see this. You're gonna be so excited. You're like, holy crap, man, I can't believe you got it for that price. We're picking up some Power Wheels, guys. Let's go get these things. I don't know what it is. I'm on a Power Wheels kick, and I don't even get to ride them. Yeah. We don't. Like,
now he's got me hooked. I want to get one for my boy.
70 bucks for both. So $35 a piece. Yeah, we're back. We gotta show them what we got too. Yeah, we gotta show them.
Pick up these rides.
Yeah, since we got a Chevy towing a Ford and a Dodge. Ready to see the first one we picked up? What year Ford Raptor do you got here, Sean?
2015.
We just cleaned it up and we tested everything. Both motors work because when we were there, they didn't work. We paid $35. We're gonna clean it up, paint it, do a bunch of cool stuff to it, make it look cool. But let's show you guys the other gem that we got. But we picked up a Dodge dually. Look at this thing. It's got dual wheels. Yeah, the people that we picked these up from, they pretty much were left outside.
I just don't know why somebody wouldn't garage keep a Raptor.
What do you think of that thing, bud? $35 for both.
Yeah, they're nice.
She's giving me a hard time because lately I've bought what, 2-3 Power Wheels? 4 or 5. Hooking my Power Wheels guy up with a Joyride shirt. He's excited, isn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we got him a Joyride shirt. If you guys want to pick you up one of these, just head over to the website. I don't really plug my merch very much, which I should start plugging it more. How do they call it that?
Power Wheel Wheels.
Power Wheel Wheels. That is kind of confusing, right? They should make Power Wheels for bigger people like me, right? Should they? You think so, Logan?
Or they could make big wheels.
Yeah, big wheels. Or they could call them Power Wheel Plus for adults. Got them. Let me see. Go. Do a burnout. Do a burnout. Teaching them boys how to do burnouts.
I'm not scared of fast. I'm not scared of fast.
Said, I'm not scared of fast. That's my boy.
I'm scared of fast.
So, that's what we got. We got a brand new set of tires. We got a new axle for him, and this one's actually kind of nice. Put a hole right through the axle for the little cotter pins. Got a new plug for Liam's. We got new motors, drive system, because we know he's gonna burn it up. It's just a matter of time running that drill battery. Look what we got. Is it excited, bud? You ready now? Now we go home, put those on. What do you think, bud? What do you think? Huh? Oh, you trying to take the camera? You wanna see your new car? Look at that.
Wow.
What do you think?
You like it?
What do you think, bud? Oh, you had to check under the hood? This one was originally a 6-volt car. For some reason, when you add the 12-volt battery to this one, it's so much faster than this one. He realizes that one doesn't drift. He's getting back in his old Lightning. Racers, get ready, set, go! And Lightning McQueen won. Facebook Market, man, you guys can find these. And what I did with the Lightning McQueen, I actually took the Super 6 motors and swapped everything over from the Lightning McQueen over to this because this was originally a 12-volt. Logan, we're gonna do a video with these Power Wheels, but what we're gonna do in this video, yeah, we've got too many of them now. Our driveway is starting to look really bad. You want to tell them what we're gonna do? So in the last video that we did with the Power Wheels, after we did the drill battery, one of the things that was very, highly requested was put a car battery in here. We're gonna put a car battery in one of your Power Wheels. It might fit in the Jeep better, I don't know, but we'll see. Can we fit a car battery in this thing? I don't think it's gonna fit. You want in yours? So we did the Milwaukee M18. Rig it up and see if we can get a car battery to work on here. What do you think it's gonna do? You think it's gonna go even faster? First we need to find a car. We're gonna just take the one out of the C10 since we're about to pull the engine on this thing. All right, so we're gonna just take this battery out of the C10. It's a brand new battery too. Take it out, aren't we, bud? That thing is so heavy. I don't know how we're gonna get this thing. Close the hood, bud, see if it fits. I think we're gonna run into issues there. What do you think? Yep. All right. That ain't gonna work. What do you think, Liam? Is that gonna work? He's mad because we didn't put it in his car. You wanna put it in your car? All right, buddy. Is that gonna fit? Oh, no, he don't want it. You wanna try the Jeep? Can you lift that thing, bud? I think that thing weighs more than you do, bud. As heavy as this thing is, I think she's probably gonna slow you down. Mustang is out. The BMW, that thing's way too small. The battery is, I think, bigger than that. The Lambo, same situation. Liam's car, out. I think we're gonna slap her in the old Jeep. Just set it on there like that. We'll get a bungee cord, we'll strap it down. We'll hook up some wires to it. What do you think? It's gonna go fast? What all are we gonna need for this install, Logan? Okay, we've got positive and negative battery terminals, and this is basically an adapter for Power Wheels.
But there's already one in there.
Yeah, well that's what this will plug into.
I want to see if it fits.
Yep, it fits.
Battery cup.
Here is what we have. Now we're gonna connect it to the battery, bud. There we go.
It's all done.
Moment of truth. We're gonna find out what this thing's gonna do. I don't know. I have a prediction of what I think it's gonna do. What do you guys think it's gonna do? Comment below, but let me know what you guys think that the car battery's gonna do. And then what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take, since we put the car battery into the Jeep and we've got the Milwaukee M18 battery and the Power Wheels, the Mustang, we'll line them up and race them. And we'll see which one's faster. We'll see if she gets more juice. What do you think, buddy? Yep. This is how we've got it rigged up. What do you think, bud? Let's see what she's got. It's not faster. What, maybe? I don't know, buddy. I'm gonna throw a battery in this one and we're gonna line it up with that one and we're gonna see which one's faster. I already know that Mustang's gonna outrun it. Fresh off the charger. So we're gonna throw this in here and I'm gonna race you, bud. We're gonna line the two Jeeps up. He's got the car battery, I've got the standard 12-volt Power Wheels battery, and we're gonna see which one's faster. I'm gonna drive the red one, Logan's gonna drive the blue one. You gotta line these things up right. Whoa. Whoops, I'm gonna get a little ahead of you. Get ready. It's set. Go. My battery is already dying.
You will.
Yeah, he got me. I'm gonna blame that on weight. This battery's already dead. So what we have learned with the car battery, for everyone that was wondering what will a car battery do if you put it in the Power Wheels, not really nothing. The only thing I think you're gonna get out of it is just longer ride time. Not sure if that's really worth it for the bulkiness and just a big battery sticking out like that, and I don't think it's really safe. So I probably would not suggest doing this and just stick with your regular 12-volt batteries that come with the Power Wheels. Best thing to do is go with the Milwaukee drill battery, right, bud? If you guys didn't catch that video, we put a Milwaukee drill battery on his Mustang and that thing hauls. You want to go show him how fast that thing is, bud?
Yeah, but right now it's on 1.
Oh, we'll just put a new one in there. Ah, this battery is so dead. Oh man. Back up to me. I'm gonna see if you can pull me. I'm gonna see if you can pull me. Here, back up. Look at that. That thing is pulling me. This one is fully charged. All right, so this is what I'm talking about. Milwaukee M18 18-volt battery with this adapter. If you guys check out that video, you will see everything on how we installed it. Logan's got some battle scars on this car already, but that's because he drives it. He's already went through 3 sets of tires. That was a cool slide, bud. That's awesome, buddy. You're like a professional drifter in this thing. He loves this thing. He's 3 sets of tires already. A lot of you guys requested to see what would happen if we put a car battery in the Power Wheels. So that's pretty much what you get. If you guys have other ideas of other things that we could try to do with these Power Wheels, please drop them in the comment section. And if they seem cool, we're gonna try them, aren't we, bud? We wanna take that Dodge Ram, we wanna build like a trailer for it and something so he can tow this thing around. We're gonna go ahead, wrap this video up. Make sure you don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.